Gus Schmidt, and I'm back with a new trading video. And today I'm going to be continuing the 5 EMA, 10 EMA crossover trading strategy that I've discussed in several previous videos. It's a very consistent strategy. It's been working extremely well. I've been utilizing it over the past couple of weeks. And so, how I've set up my chart is you would go here, click on your indicators, and you click on the two moving averages here. And then the first moving average we'd set to 10 period EMA, which is the white line here. And the second moving average is the 50 period EMA. So I would go in and set my EMA to 50 period. Okay. And that's the green line. In addition to that, I'm going to be using 15-second regular Japanese candles while taking 1 minute trades, 60-second trades, fast turbo trades. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video and look for a setup. Okay, so I'm back on the Euro Russian ruble OTC pair. And the reason why I took this trade is you see there's a sharp cross of the 10 EMA and the 50 EMA there. Nice bearish trend developing. Plus, the price broke the level of support down here, and so we took the trade. I waited for the retracement back to the line. I waited for the price to retrace back to the 10 EMA line, and once that price hit that 10 EMA line, I executed a trade. Okay, let's wait for the expiration of this trade. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for another trade. That was a great trade. Here's another aside, folks. I didn't take this trade. Uh, you see here the 10 crossed the 50 EMA here. And then when it retraced back, uh, well, it looks like maybe I should have taken the trade, but I didn't take the trade because the price was coming upon a level of support here. And I didn't want to risk the trade, although it turned out that was, it may have been a good trade. I kind of wanted to wait for the price to break that level of support, which it did afterwards. So I still didn't take the trade, but that's fine. Let's look for another setup. Okay, so I'm back here and I accidentally took a trade. I was waiting for the retracement and my hand accidentally hit the button. So what I did is, since the retracement hadn't come yet, I'm going to be losing that first trade. What I did is once the price hit the 10 EMA line on the retracement, and that's the first loss there I was talking about. So now what I did is I doubled up. I took a few trades. I think I took about 3 trades to help cover that loss, which is called the martingale strategy. And so let's wait for the results of the proper trade that I took. Awesome. Great. You see that? Okay, so I was able to recover the loss and make an additional gain, make some additional profit, because like I mentioned, I had my button over the sell button and I accidentally took the trade. But when the retracement did come, I I tripled up on my trades and recovered the loss, gaining additional profit. Okay, so let's pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I'm back on the Euro Japanese Yen OTC pair. And what I did is I waited for the white 10 EMA line to cross the 50 EMA, as you see at the top, the last crossover there. In addition to that, uh, I set up a green line here which showed that the price broke the previous level of support, which was right over here, and continued downward. Okay, and then I waited for the retracement back to the line. So let's monitor this trade and see how the trade develops. Okay, this trade looks like we're going to lose this trade. Sometimes, despite your best strategy, the trades sometimes go against you. Okay, so that's fine. We lost that trade. Can't win every trade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video and look for another trade. And what I'll probably do is do another martingale's trade and double up or triple up on the trade just to make sure that we recover the loss. All right. Okay, so I'm back on the USD THB OTC pair, and similarly to the previous trade, there was a sharp crossover of the white 10 EMA with the 50 EMA. In addition to that, I waited for the that level, that green line here. The price broke that level of support, and so I took a trade. Once the price retraced back to the 10 EMA line, I took a trade. I took a sell trade. All right, so let's monitor this trade. As a matter of fact, I think I doubled up on the trade to help recover the previous loss. All right, awesome. So yeah, we were able to recover the previous loss with this trade. It was the exact same trade basically, if you noticed, but we didn't win the last trade. We won this trade. Okay, let me pause the video and look for one more trade. Okay, so last trade, sharp crossover here of the 10 and the 50 EMA, waited for the retracement, then took the trade. All right, so let's pause the video and wait till about 5 seconds left. Okay, so the trade is about to expire here, and it looks like it's headed in our direction. Final trade, and we won that trade. Okay, Gus Schmidt signing off here. Thanks for watching and